Hey, this is SaleCore. Just going to show you a quick tip on how to create a awesome looking interactive search map website using the content management system by SaleCore. So simply you go over to salecore.com, log in with your username and password, and then you will click on the website tab up top here. Now, if you have an individual agent account, you would then select here to New Website. All right. And so I'll just simply click on New Website tab. And this here is where you put in the specific naming convention of your website, what you want it to be. I'm going to put in davesampson.sites.salecore.com. This domain here might be different for you. This is where you put in your own individual domain name. So if you have a domain like www.davesampson.com, I would then put that in here. Now, I don't have to put in my current website if I don't want to yet, but if you want to, you can. Just remember that you will need to then transfer your domain DNS functions here. So if you want the actual DNS servers for transferring your domain name, those are here for you. All right. If you don't have a domain name, you can also click here to select GoDaddy, and that will give you the ability to order a domain directly from the GoDaddy or any other provider that you might want to use. So the next step is selecting your color. All right, so if you can, go ahead and select the colors that you want to use. There's some different color options. And then I'm going to click here at the bottom on Create Website tab. And now it's going to ask me to select the theme. All right, so you can see here the SaleCore Agent Map Search template. I'm going to then select the Use This template here on the right-hand side. And that's quick. It actually built out the website for me. So some options for me now is I can publish my website here. I can edit the current website here, or I can view the current website revision. I'm going to go ahead and select View. You can see here that it has an edit mode. So you can see here it pops up with what we call the draft mode. All right, so I'm going to close that out as well. I can go back here. Now, if I want to edit the current revision, I can select Edit. A couple of things that you'll want to know here is where you select the different pages. So it automatically built out a bunch of different pages for you, like lead form pages, info about the agent page, which is the agent profile, select sell your home. All right, so this is the landing page for select your home. Okay, so there's a number of different pages in here for you as well. And you can edit all these pages through the content management system, which we call CMS. Okay. This is the layers of the different pages. All right, so to edit the different content of the layers. Okay, so those are some things such as main content 2. If you select it and right click, you'll click on the edit control, and then this is the actual content of that specific layer that you can actually edit. Okay. So again, if I wanted to change something such as a specific date or any other content, maybe I wanted to make it larger, this is a word processor that writes the actual HTML for you. Okay, so then I can go ahead and select Save Changes, click on OK, and then that is done. Another quick update is on the map search option here on the right-hand side. You'll see that it is defaulting to Fairfield. I want to go ahead and change that to Napa California as my default landing location for the map search. I also say I want to set up where I want auto registration based upon views of properties. And I want to force registration. I can set that here, okay, under listing detail page. All right, so that's a couple of things to remember. And then what is my email address that I want leads routed to? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. So those are a couple of quick things to remember in setting up your website. All right, that's just some basic features of creating the website as well. Okay, if I want to go back to the home page, I can do that here. Now I'm going to go back to the website tab. Say I want to publish my website. I click on Publish here and then Publish. And now if I want to view all of those features that I published and view my new website, I can click on the link here up top. All right, so those are some of the basic features. Now I click on search, you'll notice that it will take me right over to the interactive map search of homes in Napa, okay? And if I click on the detail pages of the listings, that is here, okay? Now, if I click on a second property, you'll see that the force registration pop-up comes up as well. So those are a couple of things, just tips on creating a new interactive map search website on phase one. Thank you for viewing our video.